ক্লাস 10 ইংলিশ লেসন 5 আবার রান অ্যাওয়ে কাইট আবার রান অ্যাওয়ে কাইট। তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো আর লেখো, আর সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। সবাই মনে করে লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। এর কিছু কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার আমি বলছি। দি কিপার অফ দি বিগ হাফ মুন লাইট হাউস ইজ ফাদার। The family moved over to the mainland in winter. When asked about relations, father looked sorrowful. Name of the island. Island's name হলো Big Half Moon. Age of Collard. Collard's age হলো 12 years. The game played by Collard and the narrator Pirate Caves, P-I-R-A-T-E, Pirate Caves, C-A-V-E-S. People felt that Collard and the narrator were lonesome in the island. 2. They said we must be so lonesome over there. Collard and the narrator quarreled. False. Collard and I never quarreled. Nobody on the mainland had relations. False. Everybody on the mainland had relations. In summer, the big half moon is always lovely. Back on the island, Collard and the narrator made plenty of kites. The kite was paced, P-A-T-C-H-E-D. Paced with a letter. The kite was paced with a The kite was paced with a letter. A boy on the mainland showed Collard how to make kites. On the kite, Collard and the narrator paced gold tinsel stars. Collard was standing with a bit of coat in his hand, looking foolish. The narrator's elbow went through the kite. A reason holo the narrator had tripped and fallen over the rocks. Collard and the narrator hurried to fix the kite. Reason holo they wanted to send it up before the wind fell. The kite soared. The wind was glorious. এর কারণ হলো রিজন হলো the wind was glorious. A letter came for father after a month. Father left home after quarreling with his brother. Dick and Mimi discovered the kite on the top of a tree. A person who sent the letter, Aunt Esther, E-S-T-H-E-R. Name of Aunt Esther, mother's Philippa, P-H-I-L-L-I-P-A. Total number of family members in the narrator's family at present 6. What did father find when he went back home years afterward? Father found that his brother had died and his sister was missing. Where missing? দাঁড়াও, ছাড়ো বাবু, পড়াচ্ছি। একটু ওয়েট করো, আমি বলছি। এই তো বলছি দাদাও, একটু ওয়েট করো। তোমরা সবাই লাইক এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা ততক্ষণে দিয়ে দাও। A letter came for father after a month. What did father find when he went back home years afterward? Father found that his brother had died and his sister was missing. Where did Aunt Esther live? Aunt Esther lived hundreds of miles inland. Why did Aunt Esther turn pale? Aunt Esther turned pale seeing the letter stuck on the kite. It was the same letter she had once written to her brother, and the names Colot and Philippa were those of her present. তো এখানে শেষ করছি। তোমরা কিন্তু লাইক এন্ড সাবস্ক্রিপশন দিতে কিন্তু ভুলো না।